Hey, it's time for the 4th annual Triad Vegfest, presented by VIYC and Healing Springs Farmacy. We have vegan star power this year with Earth Feather Patah with Healing Springs Farmacy. Also, from ABC Shark Tank, Cassandra and the Bumbling Bee Vegan. Holistic author, Raven Brooks. Holistic healer, Aja Vu. Body Ecology, Kanita Henson. And EBN's Vegan Cuisine with Shonda Kames. We're going to have an awesome vegan tasting, and we also have a youth panel with Layla and Kelowna. Save the Arts Foundation will be there with Greensboro Black Wall Street, and Tip Speaks. DJ Rio 336 will be spinning on the ones and twos. Killer Moves Glow Group Dance Class.
OMG!
We'll also have vegan food and demos with Ethio Indie, Kitchen Ashe Pharmacy, Soil Food, Stairway to Veggin, Dee's Kitchen, Teller Street Sweets, Boho Berries, Jay's Italian Ice, Novelty by Nature, The Natural Foodie, and the Bumbling Bee. Thank you to our sponsors, Muramai Entertainment, Vibin In Peace, Leaf Filter, Sprouts Farmers Market, Tractor Supply Company, and A Well-Fed World, Veg Fund, Pose 360 Events, and Conservation Makes Wellness. We'll see you at Center City Park, downtown Greensboro, North Carolina. Proceeds benefit the Young Urban Farmers Program and small businesses. We're having an entertainment and talent search featuring Derek Hardy. If you would like to perform, send an email to triadvegfest@gmail.com. Join us June the 26th, 2021 from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Come on out, vegfest2021.eventbrite.com. Register for free or go VIP. With our VIP package, you'll get a t-shirt, $15 of food from select vendors, skip the lines, and a goodie bag. Go to triadvegfest.org for more info.
OMG!